got a lot of people out here though. I thought it was gonna be smaller.
Boca, baby.
Come on. Damn, I like this shit right here. Shit fire. Hold on, I'm gonna start taking some videos. Now let's go over there more first. They got some fire shit out here. McLaren. Nice. Shit clean, back to back. The steering wheel is dope as fuck. Look at this shit, McLaren. Whew, that be clean. Oh, Gallardo. Vet game. Dope. Ooh, let me get this right here. No. I'm gonna get that shit real soon. I need that in my life.
That guy tried.
Nigga, rev that little weak shit up. I know, right?
I'm gonna go back over there. Well, who might be enough? Coming soon, baby. Don't worry.
Go back where the live shit at. Oh, look, right hand drive. Dang. Hold on, I'm gonna take a little drink of this shit. Damn, shit nice. Right hand, baby. Clean. Oh. Dang, you stepped on it?
No.
Come on.
I just looked down, like, girl, I was literally right here. And I was like, oh my God, what the fuck is this?
Stank.
We gotta run out.
Might as well.
Nah, I just really don't know.
You wanna go this way? You pick the way. I don't care.
Let's go. You know where I'm gonna tell you. Go
Oh. Hold
I
on.
want to stand on the side of the road so when they go.
Yeah, but hold on. Let me take it. Big trucks. Damn, that M4 is stupid. Check this shit right quick. Shit nasty. I like that shit. Blacked out. Shit's fire. Oh shit. What they got right here? Nah, it's the X3 though, isn't it? Yeah, X3. Shit's dumb fire. Oh shit, look at that shit. Damn. Huh? I'm just getting footage first on here and then I'm gonna start. Look at that shit. That's dope. Swear. This shit dumb clean. Man. Dumb clean. Fuck. This is what I want right here. I'm gonna get this real soon. GTR. Yeah, it's my favorite. Huh? Yeah. Round two, man.
You're not real.
And we just have some time.
Shit, what time is it?
The after
These niggas all going to their house.
the app?
To their house.
Rolls Royce is that? It's a CBT. What kind of Rolls Royce is CBT?
Berman Law Team.
I thought to be determined.
Nah.
Lamar had 3 touchdown passes last night. Now it's going to get real.
No, this is my client. I'm a barber. My client gave me this shirt.
Oh, is that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's look at that, right?
Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with it. I support it.
It's different. Cheers, thank you. Bourbon in the house. You two in
Yes,
the
sir.
house.
Your sister's back.
Oh, you
She's
want
back.
the big ones?
Yep.
Fucking big ones.
Sister back.
You fucking guys.
We ain't playing, man.
Back in Jersey again.
We ain't playing.
When I was younger and I bartended there, God, Mitch, when you get excited, you fucking tear into them. And that Jersey goes wild. 0 to 100. I don't do that anymore. But I'll tell you what, I used to. If a guy touched a girl, the only sound, it happened right in front of me. That fucking guy gets a headlock, goes through the doors. I don't know if I open the door. I don't care. That door's gonna open somewhere.
Yeah.
You're going out.
Hell yeah.
Bouncers look at me. He's nuts.
You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
I have children. Good children, though. We're just on champagne, no mimosa, no? Or you want a little orange?
Yeah.
No orange, yeah.
That's what I wish. But just in case,
Is this all back?
I need fallback.
It's special, Toys for Tots. I do it about 3 times a year. It used to be outside.
Oh yeah, you'd be dying out there.
Cars used to peel out.
Damn. Thank you, man. Excuse me, sir. Round 2.